Understanding, Around the Corner, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, around the corner. This idiom is common in English, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it really means. Around the corner has a literal meaning that is quite straightforward. It refers to something that is physically located just a short distance away, typically just out of sight, on the other side of a corner. For instance, if someone says, "The coffee shop is around the corner," they mean it's very close by, just a short walk away. In a figurative sense, around the corner is used to indicate that something is going to happen very soon. This could be an event, an opportunity, or even a change in circumstances. For example, if someone says, "Summer is just around the corner," they mean that summer is approaching quickly. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Upcoming events. Our annual festival is right around the corner, so we need to start preparing. 2. Opportunities or changes. I feel like a big change in my career is just around the corner. 3. Seasonal changes. I can't believe it's already March. Spring is just around the corner. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express the imminence of an event or change. It's important to use around the corner correctly. A common mistake is using it for events that are not happening soon. For example, saying, "Christmas is around the corner" in January would be incorrect, as it's almost a year away. And that's a wrap on Around the Corner. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Remember, idioms like this can add color to your language and make you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll be around the corner from becoming a fluent English speaker. See you in the next video.